Best way to check if an item is present in a list of lists. I have example list like this. Now, I check if it has empty string like this. This works okay as it prints true, but looking for more Pythonic method.
You can use it at tools.chain.from_iterable. Just in case if the inner lists are bigger more than 100 items, then using any with a generator will be faster than the above example because then the speed penalty of using a Python for loop is compensated by the fast in operation. Timing comparisons. You can use combination of any, map and chain.
Just convert the whole list to string and check for the presence of empty strings, i.e. or in it. Note that this won't work with lists which have empty string as part of the string itself, example hello world. Another approach could be to flatten the dict and check for presence of empty strings in it.
Using map and lambda.
Holding out.